The ViewSonic PG703W 4000 Lumens WXGA HDMI networkable projector is designed for those who want brightness, clarity, and versatility without complications. It fits easily into any environment, whether it's a business presentation, classroom lecture, or home theater setup. This projector aims to deliver professional-level projection at a price that feels reasonable and practical. The first thing that catches attention is the brightness level. With 4000 lumens, this projector performs exceptionally well in both dark and well-lit spaces. That means no more worrying about closing curtains or dimming the lights. Your images remain sharp and vibrant in nearly any condition. The WXGA resolution ensures that everything, from data charts to full HD video, looks crisp and detailed. Color performance is another standout aspect. Thanks to ViewSonic's SuperColor technology, the PG703W produces deep, rich tones and a balanced color spectrum that gives everything a lifelike quality. Whether you're displaying educational visuals, streaming a film, or running a presentation, the result is smooth, vibrant color accuracy that doesn't look oversaturated. Connectivity options are generous. This projector features HDMI, VGA, USB, and LAN ports, making it incredibly flexible. The network function allows users to control and manage it remotely, which is ideal for classrooms or corporate environments. Home users can easily plug in their favorite media devices, like streaming sticks, laptops, or gaming consoles, and get started instantly. The built-in speaker offers decent sound quality for small spaces. It's perfect for quick setups or meetings, though connecting an external sound system enhances the experience significantly. Pairing it with a soundbar or speaker system transforms it from a simple display device to a true home theater centerpiece. Durability and long-term use are also priorities here. The PG703W's Eco Mode extends lamp life up to 15,000 hours, drastically cutting maintenance costs and ensuring long-lasting reliability. It's an ideal option for frequent users who don't want to worry about constant replacements or upkeep. Installation and setup are made simple through flexible positioning and keystone correction. Even if the projector isn't placed directly in front of the screen, the image automatically adjusts to look properly aligned. That's a huge convenience for both ceiling-mounted and tabletop configurations. The cooling system is quiet, reducing noise to an almost unnoticeable level during operation. This helps keep your viewing or presenting environment calm and distraction-free. It's one of those small design touches that make a big difference in the overall user experience. Performance-wise, this projector handles it all smoothly. Transitions are quick, visuals remain consistent, and operation feels fluid even during extended use. It's built for reliability, something you can depend on for important presentations, family movie nights, or professional events. In summary, the ViewSonic PG703W 4000 lumens projector combines power, efficiency, and color accuracy in a well-balanced package. It's bright enough for any lighting environment, smart enough for connected systems, and efficient enough to last for years. It's a great investment for homes, offices, and classrooms alike. If you're looking to elevate your visual experience, this projector checks all the boxes. If you want to buy the ViewSonic PG703W 4000 lumens WXGA HDMI networkable projector for home and office, visit the link in the description below.